Welcome to this Specialty Products Company installation video for the 23960 GM Heavy Duty Offset Ball Joint. This ball joint is ideal for lifted vehicles where camber and caster cannot be brought into proper alignment with the stock adjusters. This ball joint will provide at least 3 degrees of additional camber and/or caster change on the 1999 to 2010 1500, 2500, and 3500 heavy-duty trucks with an 8-lug axle. Please follow all safety precautions on equipment used to install this part. Start by lifting the vehicle by the lower control arms and supporting it properly. Now remove the tire and wheel assembly. Remove the brake line and ABS wire retaining brackets from the upper control arm. Remove the upper ball joint to knuckle retaining nut. Using a ball joint separator such as the 37-985, break the taper on the upper ball joint. Support the hub and knuckle assembly so it does not hang free. Loosen and remove both upper control arm retaining bolts along with the stock adjusting cams. Now remove the control arm from the vehicle. Using a ball joint press tool such as the 72509, press out the stock ball joint using the adapters in the press kit. The 23960 offset ball joint can be installed in many different positions depending on the amount of camber and/or caster change desired. Follow the chart on the instruction sheet to determine the change needed. Install the top plate with either a hex point or hex flat outwards towards the tire. Press the plate into the control arm on the top side. Press in the plate using the ball joint press tool. Now install the ball joint up to the plate for the desired camber or caster correction. When installing the nut, make sure the ledge of the top nut fits into the washer. Now reinstall the control arm into the vehicle. With the stock cams on the bolts, install the bolts through the upper control arm. Drop the ball joint into the steering knuckle. Tighten the castle nut and install the cotter pin. Remove the safety straps from the hub assembly. Install the stock adjusting cams and nuts and tighten lightly. Reinstall the brake line and ABS clips. Now torque the top nut to 175 pound-feet. Reinstall the tire and wheel assembly. Attach alignment equipment and lower the vehicle. Adjust camber and caster to specifications using the stock adjusting cam bolts. Make sure to tighten the nuts completely. Adjust front toe and road test the vehicle.